In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign SLA policies to an agent group in Freshservice. SLA policies define how quickly your team should respond to and resolve tickets, and assigning them to a specific agent group helps you tailor expectations for specialized teams. Let's walk through it from the admin side. Start by opening the admin settings. In Freshservice, go to Admin, then under Service Management, choose Service Desk Settings, and open SLA and OLA policies. This is where all your service-level rules live, and where you can create targeted policies for different scenarios. Next, either create a new policy or update one you already have. Click New SLA Policy if you're starting fresh, or select an existing policy to edit. Give it a clear, descriptive name so it's obvious which group it applies to later, and add a short description if that helps your team understand the intent. Now configure the SLA targets. For each ticket priority, set the first response time and the resolution time you expect this group to meet. Think about the types of requests this group handles and set realistic but firm targets. Remember that these timers follow your organization's business hours and holidays, so the countdown behaves the way your help desk is configured. If you don't need separate values for every priority, you can align them, but make sure critical or high-priority issues are treated appropriately. With the targets in place, add the trigger condition that ties the policy to a specific agent group. In the Conditions section, set it so the policy applies when the tickets group matches the group you want. You can keep it simple with just the group condition, or combine it with other criteria your workflow already uses. But the key is that the group equals the team you're assigning this SLA to. When you're done, save the policy. Back in the list of policies, check the order. Freshservice evaluates policies from top to bottom, so drag this group-specific policy above any general or default SLA. Placing it higher ensures it fires first whenever a ticket is routed to that group. That's it. You navigated to the SLA and OLA policies page, created or edited a policy, set response and resolution targets, added a group-based condition, and saved and reordered it so it takes precedence. This helps your teams stay aligned on timelines and keeps your service levels predictable and fair.